Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a GMC Yukon. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, like concrete. Always engage the parking brake fully to prevent any unwanted movement. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step helps stabilize the vehicle before you begin lifting, ensuring a secure process. To lift the front of your Yukon, locate the sturdy front cross member, which is a strong structural component. Carefully position your floor jack directly under the center of this cross member. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully as the front tire lifts off the ground. Ensure the jack is stable throughout the entire lifting process. For the rear of your GMC Yukon, identify the robust rear differential housing. This is a strong, central point suitable for lifting. Position your jack directly underneath the differential. Slowly and carefully begin to raise the vehicle, observing closely until the rear wheel is completely off the ground. Always maintain control and stability during this step. Once your Yukon is lifted, always place sturdy jack stands under the frame rails for secure support. Never rely solely on the jack. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it's stable before removing the jack. When you're ready to lower it completely, reverse the process carefully. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.